Clear to land, runway 21, Mooney 58 X-ray.
The last time this airplane rolled down a runway, an engine alarm stopped me before I ever left the ground. The mechanics couldn't find a problem, the data couldn't find a problem, which meant there was only one thing left to do. Go fly it.
Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, departing runway 24, left closed traffic in the pattern. Shannon, mix rich, lights are on. 235, 24, gear handle can transit. Flaps are set for takeoff. Any indications, we'll abort. Let's do it. Power's coming in. Power is set. Right rudder is coming in. Right rudder is in. We got gauges green. We got good power. 60. 5 rotate. Gear up and locked. Flaps come up. 500 feet. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left crosswind 24, Shannon. Heels for traffic. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left downwind, runway 24, Shannon. Alright. Downwind. Under 100 knots. Gear can come down. Gear down. Locked. Gas is on the fullest tank. Mix is full rich. Prop is full forward. Seatbelts and lights. Alright, we're beam our touchdown point. We'll go ahead and reduce power and begin to descend. There's 45 degrees. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, left base 24, full stop, Shannon. We're within left speed 12. Final looks clear. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, final 24, full stop, Shannon. I don't know how I forgot to put my glasses on, but I'm paying for it now. That's good approach, Nate. You're down, locked, flap set for landing. 175 across the fence. He's across at 70. Don't touch the brakes till the flaps come up. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, back taxi runway 6, Shannon. Okay. That was good. That was real good. Okay, we got one done. As you may or may not know, the issue we experienced in our aborted takeoff occurred on our second takeoff roll of that day. We got number 2 coming up right here. First one though, good. Somehow I just completely forgot my sunglasses on that last one, and man, when I turned final, I really regretted it. Okay, windows closing. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, departing 24, left closed traffic in the pattern, Shannon. Oh man, it's so hot in here. It makes me want to buy one of those like $600 cooler air conditioners, but I don't think I'm going to do that. 235, 24, mix is rich, prop is full forward, flaps are set, gear handle can transit. Here we go, power's coming in, power is set, right rudder is coming in, gauges are green, airspeed is alive, 60, 65, rotate. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, final 24, full stop, Shannon. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, back taxi runway 6, Shannon. Shannon traffic, Mooney 1258 X-ray, clear 24, taxiing 24 on the ramp, Shannon. 2 good ones. My first landing was actually better than my second, but of course it's very important to focus on all the landing mechanics, but I have just been trying my best to scan this instrument more times than usual, which has been good. I mean, like I've said a few times, you can't complain about it not malfunctioning. Okay team, here we go. Number 3, I'm gonna get a little water. Same takeoff briefing as always, 70% of the takeoff power by 50% down the runway. 50% is basically the fuel farm, so if I'm by the fuel farm and I haven't seen 50 knots, we're not going anywhere. Any engine indication, I will abort. Any suspicion that things aren't right, I will abort, but we're going for our third lap. Here we go. Shannon traffic, Mooney, 1258 X-ray, departing 24, left close traffic in the pattern, Shannon. Flaps are set, gear handle can transit, mix is rich, prop is full forward. Final looks clear. 235, 24, mix rich, flaps set. Here we go. Okay, cool. Power's coming in. Power is set. Right rudder's coming in. Gauges are green. Good power. 60, 65, rotate. Gear up and locked. Flaps. Cross the threshold, 65. A little slow. Oh, see? That's what happens. Oh, but did he save it? Yes, he did. That was really buttery right there. Shannon traffic, Mooney, 1258 X-ray, back taxi on 6, Shannon. I stalled it a bit high, but I rocked into the stall and regained a straight and level orientation, which then let me set the mains down. Really gentle. That was good. All right, so do it with me. Let's breathe the sigh of relief. That was awesome. Not one sketchy indication. 3 eventless takeoffs and landings, just like we want them, boring and routine and right in the pocket, and that was it. So let me get the taxi back to the hangar, shut it down. That was good.
Next week, Thursday, I leave for the qualifying clinic. So you're watching this on Friday, which means I'm already there. I'm in Martinsburg, West Virginia. I'm learning how to fly this airplane in formation. So watch for a video on that coming. If I make it through that and qualify, Oshkosh, buddy, we're going to the big one. The biggest airplane party in the world, and I'm taking 58 X-ray out there. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Aviate Nate. Until the next one, you can be my wingman anytime.
Clear to land, runway 21, Mooney 58 X-ray.